Modern industrial campuses operate with thousands of sensors, controllers, and software screens. Yet when a defect occurs or yield drops, operators struggle to answer the most basic question: where exactly is the value being lost? The common industry reflex is to patch this visibility gap with artificial intelligence, but applying generic algorithms to unverified, fragmented data generates predictions based on faulty physical assumptions. It accelerates the rate of error rather than resolving it. Success requires a governed digital thread. Before any algorithmic reasoning takes place, every data point must be grounded in physical reality through strict asset identity, precise network topology, and absolute time synchronization. Industrial intelligence relies on this discipline. Physical truth precedes digital convenience. This diagram maps the M0N0 Integrated End-to-End Architecture, the structural blueprint designed to enforce that discipline across the factory floor. The framework enforces a strict upward data flow. It captures raw physical measurements at layer 6, from machines, PLCs, and sensors, and elevates them through contextualization and validation before they reach the intelligence layers at the top of the stack. Notice the color coding governing these layers. Cyan and teal indicate trusted, verified evidence. Amber dictates a point of governed human intervention. Red is strictly reserved for physical hazards, invalid data, or material deviations. This brings us to the M0N0 axiom. Every unstructured signal generated by the factory floor is forced through validity gates. If a reading lacks a timestamp, a unit of measure, or an operating context, it is flagged and halted before it can reach enterprise systems. This layered design provides the structural scaffolding necessary to connect raw signals to business logic. We can observe this in practice by tracking a physical material. Here, an industrial cable moves from engineering design into its bill of materials routing and finally through physical insulation extrusion. During this process, an industrial signal that lacks context regarding its order, machine, or shift is a liability. Without those identifiers, the data cannot be audited or trusted. To solve this at the acquisition level, Research Pillar 1, M0N0 binds raw data to operational context by deploying IEC 6205621 smart metering for plant-scale energy monitoring. This chart plots the empirical performance of that deployment. Across 96 active industrial meters, OBIS-based parsing achieved a 99.98% communication success rate, while maintaining network delays below 200 milliseconds. Moving to quality testing, Research Pillar 3, M0N0 VIAV, applies edge virtualization to process complex OTDR fiber monitoring directly at the source. Evaluated across 500 cable assemblies, this edge-native integration reduced the post-measurement cycle time from an average of 240 seconds down to 45.7 seconds. Digitizing the edge with validated real-time context drastically reduces system latency and eliminates field-level transcription errors. The stakes rise significantly inside the cable degassing room. This is a critical, quality-preserving thermal environment where trapped gases are extracted from cable insulation. This split-screen visualization compares two monitoring paradigms. On the left, conventional SCADA systems rely on fixed, reactive temperature thresholds. They only trigger an alarm after a dangerous thermal violation has already occurred. On the right, a multi-dimensional plot separates normal thermal clusters from subtle outliers. This predictive approach is the foundation of Research Pillar 2, known as Monosita HI. It replaces the reactive threshold limit with an isolation forest algorithm applied directly to these thermal clusters. This machine learning model is unsupervised. It continuously learns the baseline of normal operating conditions from historical historian data, identifying problems without pre-labeled fault samples. The model operates continuously at scale, extracting statistical thermal features in real time across 65 distinct thermocouple channels and analyzing over 56,000 observations. Rather than returning a complex algorithmic output, the raw anomaly score is transformed into a continuous thermal health index, scaling from 0 to 100 for immediate operator interpretation. The empirical validation of this framework in a real industrial environment yielded precise results. The model achieved an F1 score of 0.75, an ROC-AUC of 0.88, and a PRAUC of 0.75. Unsupervised anomaly detection gives SCADA the foresight to flag gradual thermal degradation and localized overheating long before fixed alarms sound. Moving from threshold alarms to predictive intelligence safeguards downstream product reliability by exposing faults before they accumulate. Introducing algorithms into physical manufacturing introduces a critical enterprise risk. AI must not operate with unchecked autonomy over high-stakes machinery. Looking at the right side of the architecture diagram, notice the red lock icon. This represents a firm structural barrier. Independent, deterministic PLC safety logic and interlocks remain physically separate and authoritative. We can contrast Layer 10, which provides AI reasoning and recommendations, with Layer 11 above it, which governs human arbitration. This establishes a non-negotiable operational rule. Algorithmic optimization compares alternatives and simulates outcomes, but governed human workflows are required to authorize those trade-offs. M0N0 scales intelligence safely. Consequential actions require explicit human authority, and deterministic hardware interlocks remain isolated from the cloud. The manufacturing lifecycle concludes through finished goods release, dispatch, and invoicing. The operation is only complete once the outcome is physically verified. Every element of this end-to-end event, the initial sensor signal, the AI recommendation, the human decision, and the final physical outcome, is absorbed into a secure decision black box. This populates the enterprise decision twin. Because every reading and intervention retains a traceable identity, the organization preserves its operational history and learns from rare, valuable outliers. M0N0 integrates physical grounding, security, and accountability into an adaptive learning system. The next step for technical leadership is concrete. Authorize a structured site survey, assess your current data readiness, and execute one controlled order-to-customer pilot with strictly measurable acceptance criteria. M0N0 engineering, from signals to intelligence, measure to manage to maximize. The factory of the future is built on measurable physical truth. Every trusted physical event must become a traceable, governed business outcome.